Health Zone presents cool beauty uses of your hair conditioner. So you have proven time and again that your trusted conditioner is very good at making your tresses soft and shiny. Did you know that this product can be used in so many other ways aside from making your mane a scene stealer? Continue watching to know some of the coolest alternate uses for your favorite hair conditioner. 1. Eye makeup remover. Panic not if you ran out of your preferred makeup remover. All you need to do is reach for that bottle of your preferred hair conditioner. Place some of it on a cotton pad and start removing that eye makeup. Works great in the blink of an eye. 2. Cuticle softener. Wanting to sport the perfect manicure but there's no cuticle cream inside? Daub some of your hair conditioner on your nails. Doing this will soften the cuticles, allowing you to achieve the best manicure ever. 3. Frizzy hair tamer. On days that your hair doesn't want to cooperate, do not worry, you simply have to step foot in the shower and grab the bottle of your trusted hair conditioner. Rub some of it between your palms and apply on frizzy hair. This will slightly weigh down your hair, making it more manageable and definitely head turning. 4. Hair detangler. Some of the craziest hairstyles on the planet can leave your hair tangled afterwards. A great way to detangle your tresses is by spraying it with a solution consisting of 1 part hair conditioner and 9 parts water. Use a wide-toothed comb to get rid of the tangles without pulling or breaking those strands. 5. Fabric freshener. After detangling your hair with the said solution, use it to freshen up garments that no longer smell nice. It works great on jeans, skirts, tank tops, socks, sweaters, and practically everything else in your closet. 6. Delicates cleaner. Using harsh detergent on your pricey lingerie and other delicates is certainly a terrible idea. A way to wash them without ruining them is by replacing your usual detergent with your favorite hair conditioner. Not only will your delicates become cleaner and fresher smelling, but they will also feel great against your skin. 7. Shaving cream replacer. Looking to have the closest shave possible? Count on the very same product you use in making your tresses look amazing. Rub a generous amount of your hair moisturizer on your legs, underarms and bikini area prior to shaving. This will make getting rid of your unwanted hair a trouble-free task. 8. Skin moisturizer. No one can say no to a relaxing bath. If you want to pamper yourself as well as keep your skin moisturized, all you have to do is pour some of your beloved hair conditioner into your bath water, immerse your body in it and make stress go away while getting your skin hydrated. 9. Makeup brush softener. Aside from making your locks soft, your hair conditioner may also be used to soften your makeup brushes. Apply a generous amount of the product on those brushes. Rinse off thoroughly after a few minutes and let them dry completely. If the video was helpful, press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the red box below. Thank you for watching. Smile.